Kumar. Today I'm going to teach you rhythmic dictation. Today you're gonna learn how to analyze this song and you're going to learn how to find the rhythm for the given song. You'll be understanding by the end of the course that how to find the rhythm, and you're going to learn some basic stuffs about the rhythms, about the strumming pattern, about some bar and many more. Okay, wait no more. Let's get into it. Okay, so before we go into the rhythm, you must understand there are some terms you need to understand. First one is bar. A bar is also called as measure. It contains a group of beats. It repeats itself after every cycle, every bar. The song contains a number of bars. And remember one simple point: how to identify bar? It repeats after every note after itself. Okay, I'll show a simple example. And also second point, bar contains a group of notes. It may contain three beats, it may contain 4 beats, it may contain 2 beats, it may contain 8 beats. But remember, it repeats after itself. That's how we will identify what is a bar. Okay, so here you can see there are two rhythmics. One is 3 by 4 and another is 4 by 4. Let's first listen to the 3 by 4. Okay, in 3 by 4 you can see there are 1 2 3 and there are 1 2 3. Those are called as quarter notes. I will tell you quarter notes in a while. Okay, first understand what is 3 by 4. See, 3 by 4, I already told you, a bar contains a specific number of beats. Okay, so notes are beats. Okay, so can you guess how many bars it contains? Yes, you're right. It's 2. How is 2? I already told you before. It repeats after every note. See, 1 2 3 and again it's 1 2 3. So in a bar, how many notes are there? 3 notes. Similarly, how many bars are there? Total 2 bars. And each bar contains how many notes? 3 notes. And that's how the song gonna be. The whole song gonna be in the same 3 by 4 rhythm. And it's gonna be 3 by 4. And how did I say 3 by 4? And now let us say 4 by 4. Coming to the second one, 4 by 4. It contains how many beats? 4 beats. You can see 1 2 3 4. 4 by 4. And you know 4 by 4. Okay, and what is upper 4? Upper 4 is the number of beats that played in a bar. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. So we are playing 4 beats. Okay, you can count that beat on with the foot or with an hand. Okay, you must play in a proper tempo. Tempo is the pace at which we play the entire song. And 4 by 4, upper 4 is the number of beats you play, and by 4, that by 4 is the quarter note. Quarter note, how do I say quarter note? For example, consider as the quarter note as a second. If you're playing a note for a second, it called as a quarter note. If you're playing using the fractional seconds, like that's called eighth note. And if you're playing for a second, like tick 1 1 1, just only one beat you're playing, that means it's quarter note. So 3 by 4 means it's going to be like this. That is because we are playing 3 notes and it's repeating after every 3 notes itself, right? So 3 and how many for we are playing just for 1 second, right? So it's 3 by 4. For example, if we are playing that means how many playing? We are 6 playing, and we are playing for the fractional seconds also. That means it's called as a 6 by 8. That's how rhythm are calculated. Okay, and you can see 4 by 4. That means how it's going to be 4 by 4. Remember, 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is a quarter note, and that 1 by 4 it means we're going to play for 1 second. So how many bits you have to play? The upper number decides how many bits you have to play. Okay, how many bits? 4 by 4 means 4 bits. Now how should you play? In what manner you should play the 4 bits? In as a 1 second. So 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So a bar contains 4 beats and repeating after every 4 beats. So it's called as a 4 by 4. Similarly, if you want to learn for 4 by 8 or any more, you're going to learn a lot more when you come to the rhythmic courses. Okay, as the demo class purpose, I'm going to cut this session. Okay, now I'm going to teach you 2 songs, how to find the rhythm for the 2 songs. And coming to the first song, a very famous song, and wait for it, I'll play a song for you. It's Drag Me Down, composed by One Direction, and I'm going to show you the Shawn Mendes version. Why? Because he uses the acoustic version to show us. Okay, so I hope it's audible. Let's listen to this song.
Grammar and spelling are important, but if you want to write essays that inspire.
What's up, guys? It's Strumming. This is my cover rendition of the new One Direction song, Drag Me Down. I hope you enjoy it. Here we go. Got a fire for my heart, I'm scared of the dark. We never see the new smoke, we ain't seen. Got a river for my soul, and baby, you're a boat, and baby, you're my only reason. If I didn't have you, there could be nothing there. And if I didn't have you, I'd never see the sun.
Okay, I hope you like the song. See, this song, can you find the rhythm? See, it's very simple. First of all, you need to understand that this song contains three beats. How with three beats? See, na 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 na. See how many beats are coming? Tan 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 tan. So how many? There are three beats, and we are playing for every second, right? Tan, 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 tan. We are not playing like tan, 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 not playing another. We're playing tan, 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 means single note for every second we're playing. So the bottom numbers won't be 4, it's quarter note, because we are playing for one interval of second, right? And upper part is 3. How is going to be 3? Because we're playing 3 notes. Listen, tan 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 tan. How many? 3. So that's how you find the rhythm. I hope you understand this concept. Okay, it's going to be 3/4 rhythm. And the strumming part, the chord progression for this song is A minor, F, G, and D minor. Okay, so the rhythm part is going to be all downs. Okay, how many beats? There are 3 beats, so it's going to be down 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 down. Okay, so let's play along with Shawn Mendes.
Baby, you're home, and baby, you're my only reason. If I didn't